I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a silk press at home and let's get right into it. So I'm going in with It's a 10 leave-in conditioner spray, and then I go in after with the KENRA blow dry lotion. I sped up these clips so the video wouldn't be extra long, but here I am showing you how I blow dry my hair, making sure that it's all dry and as straight as possible as I can get. And then I go in with a KENRA blow dry spray as well before I'm done. The flat iron that I'm using is a Baby Bliss Pro on the highest setting. Going with 2 passes, honestly. Some sections I do more, but I do use a lot of heat protectant. I'm not really worried about the heat damage. I should be, but I'm not. It's my love for my grandmother made me gentle when I kept you. Tell me you're falling out of love, she's breaking my heart in two. I just don't want to end bad. And I'm using thin sections also, and I'm going slow, so I don't really have to go in more than twice with the flat iron. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. You telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. It's my love for my grandmother made me gentle when I care for you. Throughout the process, I do use the KENRA medium hold spray and the KENRA silkening gloss or straightening gloss as well.
What's the deal? Oh no, no. It's the one you talking about that's supposed to take my place down. Is this for real?
And then I turn down the flat iron to the second setting. I'm not sure. It's like the green one, I believe. And I just bump the ends, or go over the ends again, and then I put in the Bio Silk gloss, hair gloss, and I put that in, and then I go in and do my edges. I don't really like, now you have to watch out, don't burn yourself like I did. And I don't like to put edge control when I have a silk press, so I try to avoid that.
Just wanna let you know, say my love is bad, so you let me go. But my love is more. Just wanna let you know, I don't want your heart, baby, once before. I don't want you back. Just wanna let you know, say my love is bad, so you let me go. But my love is more. Just wanna let you know, still your past, I know. Love it or hate it, it's unfair, I know. That I got away, just confess right now. Go ahead and say it, go ahead and say it. Baby, it's okay. That's a downgrade and you know it. Still your best, oh, still your best, oh. When you wanna come back, yeah, I lay you back on your back and do you just like that. Miss the way that I grab, yeah. Your body knows me, yes, I'm still your best. I don't want your heart, baby, once before.
And look at me trying to swing my little door bob, my Bobbiana, but no. It turned out nice and flowy. You see the body. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.